Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be painting a sunset, and yes, I'm trying to be more active on YouTube. I started off with making the paper wet. The colors I'd be using today are yellow, orange, black, and white. I'd be using a black sign pen and a white pen afterwards for extra detailings. Being very honest with you all, at first I wanted to paint something else, and then afterwards I went on painting a sunset. After painting the paper yellow, I'd be going in with strokes of orange here and there, just so that I get an abstract effect. For me, painting is all about blending, so blend in the colors really nice. Also, for the brushes, you can use any brush you're comfortable with, and obviously that is your preference. At first I went with a flat brush because I thought it would be easier to blend the colors, and then I went in with a smaller brush for the details. At this point I started to add buildings and I painted them black. By the way, the brushes and the colors I'm using are brought from New Market, and if you want to know the details, do let me know, and I'll be trying to add these information in the description box, so do check it out. Do let me know in the comments what sort of videos you want me to make next. I'm trying to add highlights using white. Now comes the pen that did wonders for me. I'm adding wires here and there. If you guys are not subscribed already, please do subscribe. We are really close to 900 subscribers on YouTube. I'm using the white pen for the little sun and also for the signature. Thanks for watching you all, and do drop comments if you liked this video. Bye bye.